Do you know the mothers of gynecology? Let's talk more about them. Happy Black History Month, and all this month I'll be doing a series of Black women in the field of OBGYN. So Anarcha, Lucy, and Betsy were three of at least 10 enslaved women that the so-called father of gynecology, Dr. Marion Sims, did his disgusting experiments on to create his cure for obstetrical complications of fistulas. He experimented on them with no consent and no anesthesia. Even though when he started, anesthesia was not readily available, it eventually was, and he refused to use it. The reasoning was that they thought at the time that Black women did not experience pain the same as white women. We only know the names of Anarcha, Lucy, and Betsy, but we know that there were other women, and they were all operated on over a period of 5 years until he could perfect his technique for repairing fistulas. The three named women were 17 to 18 years old at the time. Anarcha was the first patient. She had complications of labor and was in labor for over 72 hours. Dr. Sims was called in and did a forceps delivery for her. He was called back because she had a complication of delivery, which was the fistula, which is a communication between the bladder and the vagina, and also it could be between the bowel and the vagina. He performed 30 experiments on her before he perfected his technique. Over this time, all of his white male colleagues deserted him, and these women actually became his surgical assistants. Only then did he become successful. Without these women, Dr. Sims would have never been able to move to New York and gain the fame and his ill-deserved title, the father of gynecology. The Mothers of Gynecology Monument is now erected in Montgomery, Alabama, to honor these amazing women for their contributions to the field of gynecology. You can visit anarchalucybetsy.org for more information about the monument, its creator, and their future plans for development of the area. So today and this month and always, we honor Anarcha, Lucy, and Betsy for their amazing contribution as the mothers of gynecology. And we also don't forget those unnamed enslaved women that were also experimented on. All this month, I'll be highlighting Black women in the field of OBGYN, so make sure you like and follow for more.